You here? Okay. Small beginnings Montessori. Small beginnings Montessori. Small beginnings Montessori. It's small beginnings Montessori time. Good morning, friends. How are you for our weekly focus? So, our letter of the week is our number of the week is our shape of the week is boom, boom, boom. Our, what is it, guys, again? Color, right? Our color of the week is, and our monthly theme is, and our lesson this week is going to be I hope that you guys are ready for this week, because I'm ready for this week. And I do want you guys to know something. Small beginnings Montessori, we're out.